This is Dr. Vikrant Upadhyay. Dr. Upadhyay is owner of Vikrant Eye Hospital. Dr. Upadhyay is very passionate about his work and his only motto is to offer best treatments and support to his patients. He's committed to it. Dr. Upadhyay has a team of counselors. These talented counselors help patients and their companions to understand how the cataract surgeries and procedures happen. They also suggest intraocular lenses which are best suited for their eyes. Miss Moona, who is the chief counselor at Vikrant Eye Hospital, is in her office with Mr. Hitesh Patel and his mother who has come for eye examination. Mona very kindly and warmly welcomes Mr. Patel and his mother. She also offers them coffee. Mr. Patel and his mother are now comfortable. Mona informs Mr. Patel that his mother has been detected with cataract in both the eyes. It is more in her right eye, so doctor has advised cataract surgery, first of right eye. Mr. Patel get a bit tensed and asks Madam if it is possible to plan it for later. Mona kindly says cataract is not an emergency, so you can always plan it later. But with the time, cataract will become more hard. Besides, why prolong the suffering with impaired vision? She further adds that lens implantation is a very painless and short surgery. Mr. Patel is now cautious. He asks if his mother will need to wear glasses after surgery. Mona replies, if you choose normal lenses, then you will need to wear glasses for either near vision or distance vision. Mr. Patel looks a little disappointed. He says if his mother has to wear glasses, she won't be able to cook wearing glasses, and she will lose the glasses as she will need to keep looking them out often. Is there no solution such that she does not need to wear glasses at all? Mona has a sparkle in her eye. She tells Mr. Patel, I am glad to know you care so much for your mother. Mr. Patel says, yes, she has cared for me since my birth. Now it is my turn to provide her what is best. So what can we do to ensure she does not need to wear glasses after cataract surgery? Mona replies, we are lucky to have expertise in implanting premium lenses, after which you don't need to wear glasses for either distance or near or intermediate vision. Mr. Patel immediately asks, what will be expense for these lenses? Mona says it will cost you far less than what you would have put for spectacles all the rest of life for your mother. After all, your mother don't look that old, and she will need at least one pair of glasses each year as they may get lost or break. Mr. Patel gladly responds. He is ready to do spectacle-free surgery for his mother. Mona explains further. Sir, as you know, every eye is different and its measurements are different, so all lenses cannot be suited for all patients or all eyes. Mona sends Mr. Patel's mother for further examination to determine what type of spectacles free intraocular lenses will be most suitable for her. Mona returns with report and informs Mr. Patel, congratulations sir, your mother is a perfect candidate for spectacle-free lens implantation. Mr. Patel says, I am now convinced that I want spectacle-free lenses for my mother. But I am concerned about how much more I will need to spend and what alternatives I have for lenses with spectacles. Mona responds, I will explain to you different types of lenses we have with example. When you decide to come to Vikrant Eye Hospital, you could have come by either motorcycle, normal car, or an air-conditioned car. How did you come? Mr. Patel says, I don't have an AC car, so I rented an AC car because I wanted my mother to be comfortable. Mona responds, we have hard lenses, which are cheapest. But you need very large curd for implanting them. You will need spectacles after surgery. They are like motorcycle in comfort. Then we have a soft lenses, which can be either with spectacles or spectacle free. The one which are with spectacle are like non-AC car, and the ones which are spectacle free are like AC deluxe car with all luxuries. As far as cost is concerned, a spectacle free lens will cost you less than what spectacles will cost you over next 10 years. Think of all comfort your mother will have with spectacle free surgery, and think of the superior quality of life she will have rest of her life. Mr. Patel says, "Madam, you have convinced me for spectacle free surgery. Now please get my mother operated at the earliest." Mrs. Patel was operated after 2 days. She had her first examination next day after the surgery. Dr. Vikrant removed the bandage and asked her to read the chart and see the images. Mrs. Patel has tears in her eyes. She says, "Now the world look like how she saw when she was a child." She says the spectacle-free lens has brought back her childhood. Mr. Hitesh Patel wanted to touch Dr. Udhapiya's feet. He says, "Sir, how did you manage this miracle?" Dr. Vikrant says, "It is not my miracle. It is because of the wise decision you took for spectacle-free lenses." Mr. Hitesh asks, "You must have used a lens from a very good multinational company." Mr. Vikrant says, "Yes, it was from a multinational company, but an Indian multinational. Care Group, which exports to over 100 counties and which is the third largest lens manufacturing company in the world."